Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. This is part of the E2 framework tutorial that I'm creating to enable you build your web app using E2. So remember to subscribe and share this video. Good. So today we will learn about navigation menu in E2. So just to kick off, so E2 has this aspect of layouts. Um, Layouts, they are very crucial, they're very important in E2. You can see layouts are a special type of views that represent common parts of multiple views. So you can think of them as a framework for your layout, for your view files. So what they do, for example, you have maybe 20 pages with the same header and footer. So the ideal way is to ensure that you create a common layout that has the same header and footer, and then the content in between can be passed in dynamically. So when you look at the E2 basic template, so you'll notice that in the views folder under the layouts, there is one single main .php layout where it defines the head, and then you can see there's this common aspects about the meta tags. Then below it, there's a title, and then within the header, there is the navbar widget. We'll quickly talk about that. And then now there's the main content where you pass in the content. Then there's a common footer for that. So for this part of the video, we'll mainly focus on the navigation. So for the navigation, there's the navbar, and then there's the nav widget where you now have to define the kind of items that should be shown on your navigation. So in the nav widget, we need to provide an extra array of an extra array for the product. So product, and then the URL, which is the controller product, and then sorry, product, and then the action is index. So ensure that there is this trailing forward slash at the start, because otherwise when you move to a different page, this will not show up. The link will be broken. So with this, our navigation is ready to go. So when we refresh this page, you can see the product navigation item is already on the menu, and E2 will handle, and as you can see that it shows that this is the active navigation that we are currently on. So that's how you add your item, your controller, or whatever you want to add on the navigation. So the other way is to add a drop down. So for the drop down to be a bit different, you'll need to, so let's change this product to a drop down. So what will happen is we can have this array, and then instead of the URL, in this case, we can just provide something called items, sorry. So the items, just the same case like this one, and then now in the items, you'll need to provide again a similar setup of label and URL. So I'll just copy this. So the first one maybe like new product to enable us add new product. So it will be product controller create action. So the second one will now be the list of products. So products, let's just name it list products. then our URL will be URL product index. So once we have that, we can refresh our application, and so you can see we have this drop down menu. The new product lands us directly to our product, create new product form, and then we have a list of products. So guys, that's pretty much how you can add any element on your navigation um, in E2 framework. So that's pretty much about this video. Let me know your suggestions. If you have an issue about this, please drop in the comments. See you in the next video.